love when my hair is done. I love when my nails are done. Being a girl is fun. To change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So as you can tell from the title, we have another Girly Things Day planned, and I'm so excited. I'm overdue for my maintenance, y'all. So today is all about getting those things taken care of. So first stop is the nail shop. Then we're gonna hit a couple of stores. But yes, we're gonna get this day started, y'all. Girly Maintenance Day.
Cái điểm máu lên tay bị ngay. Em tưởng là chị học ở Việt Nam như vậy. See again,
We're at Walmart so I can get some hygiene products, re-up on the essentials. Oh, I forgot them shoes. Okay. I ordered these shoes from Walmart online. Real cute. They only had a size 10. But I was like, I'm gonna try to make it work. But they were too small, so I kept watching the website to see if they would get a size 11 in. So they got the 11 in, so I ordered them. Now, mind you, altogether the shoes is like 32 something. Why I get the shoes in the mail yesterday, and this is the tag on them. They were marked down to $9. So I'm about to go back in this Walmart, and I'm gonna return both of them and buy the shoes at the $9 rate. Hopefully they don't give me no problems, but we're gonna see.
Why still rank it up? Why still do this 30.98?
No, that's a subtotal. That means you got
You must add 2 on there. Yeah. So that's the original price plus the change price.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. They shouldn't have even sent that to her. Like,
For the itching, I was told to get the Equate brand of Zyrtec, so that's what I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna go with this deodorant, 2 pounds. Get some more of this Vaseline oil. There it Michael's. So what I'm looking for is purse charms. I got a new Louis bag from the gate, and I was online finding some stuff, but my cousin was like, you should try Michael's. So, oh no, she said I should try, I can't remember what store she told me to try. It might have been Michael's. So we here. Now, I'm coming just for the purse charms. Okay, let me just not look that way. Let's see if we can find them. Oh, Michael's got the balloons now. They said Party City Hall. Okay, I'm just rolling through this. I know, getting here well. They're not putting out the Halloween stuff. I just know it. Oh, they got a sale on the cabana rugs. 4x6 is 19. The 6x9 is 39. I've been kind of having my eye on this. That'll be cute for the patio. I gotta focus on what I'm here for. Look, see, they got the Halloween stuff up. Bad Witch. That's some cute stuff, though. I'm gonna have to come back. So I looked it up online, the specific charms that they had, and it said they had them on hand. So I came to the store, and online it tells you exactly what aisle to go to. So I'm on the aisle looking, don't see them. I go ask the lady, she says, oh, we don't have those out yet. Okay. Not gonna let it ruin my day. Ooh, cute background. Alright, so got a couple of things on my list that I want to get. I was looking at I need some more serum. I want to get some liquid blush. I want to try the Fenty bronzer. So those are the three things that I want to get today. So let's go. Which one do I want to try? I was looking at, because I have a powder blush, but I wanted a liquid blush. So I think I'm going to try this pink lady. My pink lady glow. I think I want the glow. I really think I want this one. Or do I want this one? Or do I want this one? So I decided I'm gonna go with the pink lady. That's this one. It's really cute. Now I need to find Fenty bronzer, and I need some serum. Hey, how are you?
Hello there.
This is what I need right here. My face serum. Alright, bag secured. Next stop, Burlingtons. So I had a friend that posted on Facebook yesterday that he got these fragrances, like Arabian fragrances off of TikTok in Burlington. So we're in here today to see if, well, I know they have them, but just to see how they smell. Oh, they got some cute little sets in here, jewelry sets. Oh, this is cute. $6.99. Look at these beauty organizers. That's really selection, actually. It's giving Ross. Definitely giving Ross. Living for the candles. Ooh. Blushing petals. And this cute strawberry. I'm to my spring cream. That's pretty. There's some other ones, but y'all know the pink is my aesthetic. Why do they have the perfumes around the checkout? So now I'm gonna have to park over there and look crazy. They literally had the perfumes right in the checkout. So I'm like trying to go through and bend down and pick out stuff and feel like I'm in the way. So I got 2. So we'll see what they smell like when I get home. I did look them up on TikTok. So it kind of look like it's something I like, but we'll see for sure, for sure. Mama got something too.
Yeah, that's gonna be a pack of Pedi.
Okay, so I made it home. So let me show y'all everything that I got. So from Burlingtons, we got the Eclair Lataffa. It's like a vanilla essence. Y'all know I've been on vanillas lately. And this, I got this Yara Lataffa. This smells familiar. It smells good though. It kind of smells like Jimmy Choo, I Want You. Not as strong, but that's what it kind of smells like. It really does, but it smells good. And both of those were $8.99. From Walmart, I got the Dove Sensitive Antibacterial toothpaste. Pretty much everything that I showed y'all that I got. I got the Equate brand of Zyrtec. Deodorant. I got some more of the vanilla cashmere lotion. EOS. I got the pink champagne from EOS. I got some lash bond and seal because I bought some clusters from Amazon and I want to try to do my lashes myself. We're gonna see how that go. That's for another day. I got some more of this oil. I got some more pink champagne body wash. That's my goddaughter. I got my shoes in the right size for the right price. I'm so excited about these. And from Ulta, I got the Ordinary Serum. I got Juvia's Place liquid blush in Pink Lady. And I got this bronzer palette from Juvia's Place. So I'm excited about that. I want to thank y'all so much for watching and coming along with me as I replenish some of my hygiene products that I use the most and ran out of. This was pretty much another girly self-care day because I like to take days where I can get my errands done and re-up on my favorite products, do some shopping, do some looking, because that's what, to me, is self-care. So Thank y'all so much for coming along with me and doing all these girly things with me as well. But make sure y'all like this video. Make sure that you comment down below. Do you use some of the products that I have purchased today? Also, do you have any of the Lataffa fragrances or any other fragrances that you can recommend? Let me know down in the comments. I'm a fruity girl for the most part, but I've just gotten into vanillas. So give me a fragrance suggestion and I'll try it out or see if I like it. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. Thank y'all for making this girly day out. Everything. I enjoyed our shopping. I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love.